Hello, and we're back. We have a job today. We have here, EPSON L3110 printer. The client said that, she used this printer once, and it properly turned the power off, but suddenly, when she tried to power up again the printer won't turn on. And the problem with this one, we have no power LED when I press the power button. I guess the problem is the power supply.
A few moments later.
But for that, let's diagnose the printer first to find where is faulty.
Thousand years later.
After I diagnosed the printer, the PO cable are good with continuity mode test. After testing the voltage in voltage mode, I found out that there is no voltage output, which is 42 volts, and let's jump into conclusion that the power is the problem. To fix this, let's try to replace the power supply and check if the problem persists.
One eternity later.
Wow! It turned the power on. That's it. Hope this video helped you. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe for more helpful videos on how to repair printer, laptop and personal computers. Thank you.